Hi guys, this is me, Ozan. Today I'm going to show you how to call for cards. So it's basically where you get, like, I don't know, half a deck of cards or something, and then put it in your hand, kind of bend it like this. And then when you walk up to somebody, you say, "Is it okay if I call cards?" And then it's pretty cool because it looks totally realistic. I'll show you it in slow motion. If you want to do it fast, just do it like this. It looks pretty cool. So, yeah, I think that's the end of the video. So, yeah. Bye.